Hi, this is Nick. Welcome to the channel where we talk all things real estate in the Czech Republic. Major economies are heading towards recession and the housing markets in many of them is starting to fall. We're going to take a look back at the last time that happened here and go back to 2008. We're in 2008 and the prices of real estate has been rising steadily ever since accession to the EU. Just in 2008 alone, prices are up 4%, even while in the rest of Europe, house prices are falling dramatically. However, bad news is just around the corner, and prices will start to dip and fall during 2009 to an absolute low at the end of 2012, falling 16% from their peak. So what we want to analyse is if the same kind of potential downward trend is just around the corner again. So we've got similar things that have happened here. In 2008, we had quite high inflation. Back then, it was around 4% a year heading into 2008, and heading into 2022, it was 10%. So if we look at the prices of apartments for the previous year heading into the kind of economic tension, then we will see that in 2008 that the prices were up 4%, whereas in 2022 the prices have been up 20%. If we look at inflation in 2008, we were looking at 4% for the year. In 2022, we're now we're starting the year with 10%, and it's even risen since then. So we may ask, is there actually potential of it being even worse this time around? Because we've obviously risen quite a lot, and there's quite far to go, and there's a lot of negative sentiment about at the moment. But there are some positives to look at as well. There is a lot more positive sentiment about buying and owning housing in the Czech Republic. Back in 2008, it was all foreign investors pushing the market up, and they would disappear. And that happened to be the case. Lots of them bought in 2006, 7, 8, and lots of them exited the market after that in 10, 11, 12 onwards. Whereas today there are very few foreign investors, and actually it's just Czech buying that's pushing this market up. And in general, the amount of debt out there in the Czech real estate market is still quite low. Higher than it was in 2008, but most people are not very highly leveraged, especially with the prices having gone up so much recently. So overall, we hope that it won't go down as much as it did previously, but there is a lot of negative sentiment out there that could mean it does go just as low or even lower. But if we think about the long term and the price growth we've had since 2012, that's food for thought for the future through into the late 2020s. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.